Let's do a quick eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to first start brushing my brow, and then I'll go in with the Hammer brow pencil. If you have been following me for a very long time, you know that the Hammer brow pencil, it's my ride and die. It is also the first eyebrow pencil that I tried when I was learning how to do makeup. That's like decades ago. I love this product. It's really, really nice. My eyebrows are not sisters. They're not twins. They're like distant cousin, and sometimes they can look like neighbors. So I try my best to make them at least look like sisters, and I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow, and I try to fill it in with the pencil. I try to follow the natural shape of the eyebrow and just fill it in. And sometimes it can be a little bit tricky, honestly, because they don't look the same. I try my best to at least make them look presentable, because that's all I can say. Make them look presentable. And there are some days where I can actually do my eyebrow in 5 2 minutes and I'm done. And there's some days where I really need time. There's some days where it's just not working. I feel like the eyebrow is working against me. So there's some days where I can do that in less than a minute and I'm done. And there's some days where I really need more time to like fill it in. Sometimes it doesn't always end up going exactly the way you want it, and you have to wipe it down and redo it. So therefore I try my best to be patient. Reasons why when I'm doing my makeup, I always come when my eyebrow is already done, because it can be a little bit of a struggle. So after I filled in my eyebrow with the pencil, I follow my natural eyebrow shape. Now I'm going in with concealers. I like to use two different concealers. The lighter shade on the inner corner and then the little bit darker shade on the outer corner, because I kind of like that natural highlights on the brow bone. I don't really like super bright colors. I try to use at least one or two shade concealer lighter, and I just filled it in. As for the top, I really don't do nothing to the top. I just use my foundation. When I'm applying foundation, I use my foundation to like clean the top a little bit, but most of the time I just like to clean the bottom, and then the top just leave it at its natural form, and I like that. Feel free to do whatever you want to do, because when it comes to makeup, everyone has different face shape, and everyone has their own different preference on how they want to do their makeup, and or how they want their makeup to look on their face. For me, I'm not really into that super bright brow bone, so therefore I like to go in with a little bit darker shade, maybe like a shade, one shade darker, one shade lighter than my skin. And I like to go in on the brow bone and just try to shape it and then blend that simply. And then for the top, like I said, I just like to go in with my foundation and just blend everything smoothly. And I just also like to bring the concealer on my eyes, at least use that as a base for if I'm going to do any eyeshadow. So at least you have like an even base. Go in with my brush and then just blend everything. Just blend everything really smoothly. Blend the excess concealer on the eyes, so that if I'm going in with my eyeshadow, at least my eye already have a base. But make sure you set that first if you want to go in with eyeshadow palette, like eyeshadow, you want to use an eyeshadow palette, you want to go in. So make sure you set that so that your eyeshadow doesn't crease. So I'm just gonna simply blend it, and you guys see how natural it kind of look. It's bright, but it's not like super bright. I really love that natural makeup look, like that really clean, smooth makeup look. I love it. So now I'm just gonna brush the eyebrow again into shape, and then I'm also going to use a brow gel to hold everything in place, because sometimes tend to look go out of place. So with this got to be gel, it's really nice, and it just hold the brow in place throughout the day, and I really love this one. So yeah, this is how I do my eyebrow. It's very simple. You can use any products of your choice. You don't have to use what I use. There's so many amazing products out there. This is what I love to use when I'm doing my eyebrow. So yeah, this is the finished result. Hope you all like this video. If you do, don't forget to like and I will see you all on my next video. TeamFullest, I want to say thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you. Peace out. Bye.